Okay, so number 14. Next one, halacha. The string of the tzitzis must be made of intertwined threads. So it's not one thread, but intertwined. There is each string must made of single strand. There is doubled and twisted to make single string. So, okay. If any string unraveled from the twisted state, then the halacha consider any unraveled portion as if it had been severed and no longer part of the string. Very interesting. So you know, like the strings like unraveling. So they say if it's unraveled, so they consider like they severed. So, but you can always twist them again. And some people would do what they do. They burn with a match a little, right? So like it will stay the same. Or some people like apply glue, some kind of glues, whatever they do. So it's all good. So number 90, commentary. The above halacha applies to the threads that were doubled and twisted only once. Okay, and therefore, when the twisted part unraveled in a single ply. So basically, if it's only double, but in ours it's more than double. I don't know how many threads in there, maybe 8. I'm not sure, like many. If the threads that were twisted 4 or 8 times, that's what I think, what we have. Apologies. So in our tzitzit, it's common for the strings to consist of threads that were twisted 4 or 8 times. Okay, exactly. Therefore, even if one of the strings unraveled into 2, it would not be considered as cut off. But that's a good story, since each of the strings themselves is made of twisted threads. So basically, in our case, it's I think it's 8 or even more threads. I'm not sure how many, like minimum 8. It's so thick, so for sure more. Okay, so basically, if they unravel a little, so to 2 parts, there is no problem.